So you having a problem with your C drive and your storage is maxed out? No problem. I'm going to show you guys the top 3 steps I use in getting my C drive clean. Step number 1. We're going to go to our files. And we are going to go to our downloads. Now in our downloads, I want you guys to delete any pictures, videos, music files, anything basically that you're not using. When it comes to installations, remember, anything that is already installed, you no longer need. Step number 2, we're going to go down to our search bar and we are going to go to our storage settings. We're just going to give that a second to load in. Now here you're going to see all the files on your C drive, your biggest files in order, installed apps, temporary files, duplicates. Down here there's going to be advanced settings, cleanup recommendations, over 5 gigabytes of storage available. You can click that. I recommend these. Make sure you're going through and checking the files that you want to keep before you do this. You can go into your installed apps. Here you can see what files are holding the most megabytes, gigabytes. You can go through, basically uninstall or delete anything here that you don't want. And last but not least, step number 3. We're going to go back to our search bar. We're going to type run, and we're going to run a Windows command. First thing we're going to do is type prefetch. Hit OK. Continue. Once you have administration privileges, we're going to hold shift and click the first file all the way down to the last one. Click that one. Holding shift selects everything. We're going to right click and delete. Skip. We're going to repeat the process, only after prefetch we're going to go to our temp files now. Hit OK. Right click and delete. Skip. The last window command is going to be the temp with the percentage signs. We're going to hit OK. And we're going to do the same thing one more time. Now after following all 3 steps, we're going to go to our recycling bin. We're going to right click and we're going to empty our recycling bin. We're going to check our C drive, and as we can see, we now have 70 gigabytes free.